And then repetitive task is also a challenge before because again, konti lang ang options before. Customer service, technical support, data entry. Yun lang. Customer service,
Hmm.
technical support, data entry. Dahil if you customer service ka, paulit-ulit lang ang concern. What's my bill? What's my balance? I got overcharged. Yun lang. Technical support ka, my phone is not working, my TV is not working, my computer is not working. Yun lang lagi. Alright? Data entry, mag-entry ka lang dyan ng mga orders, that's it. Alright? So, there's repetitive task and you can easily become an expert in what you do. If you're already an expert, ang galing-galing mo ng agent, di ba? Dapat pwede ka na maging ma-promote niyan. However, expertise on the job or off the job is not the sole qualification for you to get promoted. All right. So there's already
Hmm.
a stagnant, a stagnant issue before then, unchallenged then.